This is Wild About Utah.
The Secret Service takes to the sky as we paddle our canoe into a full moonlit Bear River. Our magic sonogram device collects hidden sounds of myriad bats as they devour tens of thousands of insects. We're floating through Buda Agua, the Bear River Massacre site now owned by the Northwest Band of the Shoshone Nation, the original owners who lost it to Euro-American Western expansion. A grant-funded project being conducted by USU faculty and students, we recorded a remarkable number of species, perhaps influenced by the Hot Springs Cave that served as wintering grounds for the Shoshone people. There were marked differences in bat species associated with types of riverside vegetation, part of which was the invasive Russian olive. Utah is home to 18 species of bats found throughout the state, which roost in a variety of habitats including caves, mines, hollow trees, rock cliffs, and buildings. The big free-tailed bat is the largest in Utah, with a wingspan of 17 inches, weighing less than 1 ounce. The smallest bat, the western pipistrelle, is the size of a hummingbird and weighs 1/10 of an ounce. Most Utah bat species are year-round residents, hibernating during the winter. Some species migrate south and remain active all year. While migrating species breed in the spring, hibernating bats usually breed in the fall. In the late spring, female bats gather in large nursery colonies where their young, called pups, are born in May or June. Bats have a slow life history and are constrained by tight energy budgets. Energetics has emerged as a driver of extinction risk among North American bats. Some of the most wide-ranging species are now on an accelerated trajectory toward extinction as a result of disease and wind energy production. Climate change is also likely to impact many bat species with broad ranges. Urbanization and other kinds of habitat fragmenting land use changes are also thought to be altering species distribution patterns. Bats offer many ecosystem benefits. Some subtropic species pollinate plants. Many serve as prey to other animals, and cave communities benefit from bat guano, which provides nutrients. Bats benefit humans by eating up to 100% of their body weight insects each night. That is 1,000 insects per hour. Providing over $3.7 billion worth of pest control each year in the U.S., they also reduce the need for pesticides. Their membrane wings and echolocation have inspired technological advances in engineering. The wingsuits used by base jumpers take more than a few cues from bats' aerodynamic bodies. Utah law protects all bat species. Additional federal protection is extended to species on the endangered species list. Given many gifts bats provide for humans and numerous ecosystem services, we can reciprocate by reducing outdoor lighting, which disrupts their natural behaviors, avoid disturbing them, especially if they are hibernating, building a bat house, and participating in Bat Week, which occurs the last week of October. It's time to celebrate and learn about our Utah bats. This is Jack Green for Bridgerland Audubon Society, and I'm wild about Utah bats.